Like a Jeep Grand Cherokee, I think, some kind of Jeep. Stay to the end for the funny parts. Is it this one right here? I'm not a police officer. I'm a locksmith. I'm more like a criminal. I'm breaking into stuff all the time. All right, give me a second.
Right now, the 50.
Yeah, hold on.
The kid left it in the truck.
It's inside here? Do you know where?
They probably left it in the trunk. I don't see him anywhere.
Let me go ahead and take the payment because you're going to want to start looking for the key right away, and I want to make sure the payment works.
My personal vehicle, so I'm got a locksmith here trying to open it up.
I'm going to open it in about 30 seconds. Let me see the card.
I did my receipts and everything. Talked to Brittany.
You can put something there if you want to. You got to choose one of those.
Say that again, Eddie. Okay, I'll go through the email. Let me get this key to head to the house and I'll take it.
I'll stand behind me.
All right, Mr. Eddie.
Jeeps and Fords open by pulling the inside door handle. So that's what I'm going to do here. You can make a gap with an airbag. You can use a door wedge, a flathead screwdriver if you don't care if you damage it. I'm going to make a video on ghetto methods to open cars at some point. Did you look me up on Google or Apple? Did you look me up on Google or Apple?
Google.
Okay, I'm going to text you a review link. All right, have a good day.